Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you looking for an all-in-one solution to convert, edit, download and record videos on Windows? So in this video, I'll review WonderFox HD Video Converter Factory Pro, a powerful media tool that comprises of all these features. To download the tool, simply head over to this webpage. I'll give the link in the video description and install it. Now the free version does not support too many features, so I'll convert it to full version to show you the full potential of the software. Now using this tool, I can use all these features. If I go to the first one, the converter function, you can simply add your files from here or add an entire folder. Now once you add the video file, you can click on this eye that gives the file information. You can also use this feature to trim videos. Then clicking here, you can rotate the videos. From here, you can easily crop the videos and adjust it as per your requirements. From here, you can apply the predefined effects. Or you can also adjust the brightness, color, saturation and every other aspects from here. Now this feature helps you to add watermark on your videos either in text or an image. And this one helps you to add the metadata on your videos. Once all the adjustments are done, you can simply click here. As you can see, the software supports over more than 500 file formats and you can easily convert them. Now if you click here, you can convert videos up to 8K resolution to bring out some quality videos. If you click here, this is a golden place for the creators, so you can convert videos for all social media platforms from here. You can also convert audio to various file formats. It also supports multiple mobile devices. So once you select the parameters, simply go here. You can adjust the settings from here also. Once done with the adjustments, you can increase or decrease this slider to improve the quality of the video output, and the hardware acceleration will give you blazing conversion speeds. Now once you click on run, the file conversion will begin and your output is ready. As simple as that. Now heading over to the downloader section, you can go here and you can download videos from 1000+ websites. Simply paste the link here and click on OK and the video will get downloaded. Now moving ahead, clicking on the recorder, you can use it as a screen recorder. You can select the dimension, dragging, or you can select this option to use the full screen recording. You can also change other parameters from here and click on record to record your screen. You can also use photos and videos to create GIF files from here. Now moving ahead to the toolbox, you can use your photos to make videos. Simply click here, add your photos, adjust them as per your requirements, and you can create the video. You can also use the split screen video maker, where you can add multiple videos to make a single video. You can also create ringtones from here and use the subtitle extractor from here. So check the video description for all the important links. You can simply buy the software here from here as per your need and requirements. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.